Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and we're going to be doing a Dollar Tree DIY. It is a nice little centerpiece or a gift for Valentine's Day. So let me show you. If you didn't see my Michael's haul, I got some flowers from Michael's. So I'm just going to use these, but you can replace them with Dollar Tree flowers. I also am going to be using this little bunch here. I'm going to be using some of the Biscoff cookies. I think they come 6 to a pack, if I'm not mistaken. Some foam, floral foam. And then whoever you're gifting it to, or your own favorite boxed chocolates. You do want to make sure that they all match up. So these are two different types of Sour Patch Kids. One is hearts and one is just the regular watermelons. So they do match up, so that's what we're going to do. I also picked up some bamboo skewers. They're 100. And so I have my glue gun, and that's all we need. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take apart this little floral foam. It does come in 4 parts. So I'm just going to cut these open. I do have to be a little bit careful to make sure I don't cut the floral foam itself. Otherwise, you're going to get like this. So be careful doing that. Same with taking the wrap off. You're going to want to be careful there. Now, you will measure how tall your box is. So we're a little bit high on this box. You could either take one away and be lower, or you can cut it down to be a little bit higher, whatever you'd like to do. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this one down. It will be messy. I already know this, but I'm just going to take my larger scissors and cut it right down the center. And it cuts fairly easy, and it's not as messy as some of the other ones I've done in the past. So there we go. And then I'm going to take my glue gun, and we are going to glue these guys together, just setting them up one on top of the other so that they form a nice little base there. Of course, I'm going to run out of glue, but that's why I had this little glue stick here, not so it could be a magic wand. And then we'll put this final one up here, and I'm going to put it with the that side up so I can get a nice good grip there. So we've got that part done. Now we're going to take and we're going to glue our Sour Patch Kids, doing the same thing here. We're going to just hot glue. And you can keep that up like this and just get it nice and centered. And you're going to hold that just like that. And you're going to do the other side. And I think we did the hearts, so we're going to stick with the hearts. And then we're going to do, I think, let me see, we may have to do box ends. Yeah, it's not gonna touch on the insides. So if you did want it to, you could put some of that there and have it like this, but I'm just going to put it right, a bead on each side of this Sour Patch right here. And then the same on the other side. Because I'm okay with it not being fully, hold on. You only have a little bit of time there. There we go. So I am okay with it not being completely in there. That would be the only reason. If you're using a lot and need a lot of space, you might want to do it completely packed in there. But like I said, I'm okay with it. So again, right on the edges here. This is really quick, really easy, right? Because, you know, if you're doing a DIY with me, it's most likely quick and easy. So we're going to get this one here again, right at the sides there. Hold that down. And now we have a nice, lovely base and a place for that would make a good vase, right? So I've taken these guys here, and you're just going to start pushing them in where you want them. I'm going to do it sideways so you could see. And there is going to be some surprises here, so it's not just one and done, right? This one's going to be our highest one. And then I'm going to fill it in down here, going a little bit lower there. And if you need to take any of these guys off, feel free to do so. Again, this one's going to push down pretty far in there. And so you're getting these nice full flowers. And we're going to do the same thing here. And then this one here, I'm going to end up taking this flower or this leaf off, which we could use later if we wanted to. But I'm going to take this piece off as well. And get those in there. Now these, just as the Dollar Tree ones, they have some wire in them, so you can bend them how you'd like. And then you're going to fill them in with your little white flowers. You're just going to keep filling them in there. Super cute. And remember, I had those Biscoff cookies. Let me show you what I'm going to do with those. So I'm taking those Biscoffs here. And one of the bamboo skewers. Now these came in a package of 6. So I'm going to take and put a bead here. And then I'm going to take the skewer and I'm going to roll it around while it's still wet all the way around so it completely coats that. And I did it to all 6 of them. And then you're going to take those and you could wrap little ribbons around them if you'd like. Some nice little floral ribbon. Let me show you here. Since my box is yellow, I'll take one of these little guys. And you can just wrap it around. If you want to make a bow, you can make a bow. If you want to just leave it hanging, you can leave it hanging. However you'd like. You could also just make little bows and hot glue them on there, or little flowers and hot glue them on there. Of course, you guys know I can't make bows, right? Do you remember that about me? Hold, please. I'm going to make a little bow, hopefully. Let's see, we're coming close. I'm not even going to make bows on all of them. So, I'm just showing that you can do it. All right, so there we go. Little bows on each of them, or you can tie little bows on the bottom there as well. So just go a little bit lower, tie your bows, and then you're going to have some ribbon to fill those little guys in with, right? So you got those little guys. So then you're going to take those, if you see if you could see here, you're going to stick those in there, and they're going to stick in there really nicely. They've got pokers, and if it pops out the bottom, you cut it off, or you can cut them before they pop out the bottom. So I was silly and I didn't let this finish. But you see how good it lasted, right? So you can take some scissors, or you can just break them off if you'd like. And then again, you're just gonna stick these little guys in there just like that. And I did the Biscoff cookies because my grandsons like these little cookies, and they like the Sour Patches, but they're not real big chocolate fans, believe it or not. So I got them these little cookies. We're gonna make a nice little bouquet for them, and I will show you the finished product. I don't know if you could see, I know this isn't the greatest, but you see there, and then I will go ahead and show you the finished product with all of them in there, and I hope you like it. If so, give me a big thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see more Valentine's DIYs. Again, it's another favorite holiday of mine. We'll definitely be doing some Valentine's cards here coming soon. All right, beauties, here is my finished product. Isn't it so cute? Who wouldn't want to receive something like this, or to have it just sitting out on your desk or something for people to see and maybe take some candies off of? All right, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.